So next we'll be discussing about the in this session we'll be discussing about the types of fuel burners. That is, first one is long flame or U flame stream line burner. You all can see here the coolant. You all can see the coolant primary air, okay, and you all can see the secondary air here, okay. This is the furnace. Hmm? Coal is fed from this, okay, into this, and the into the furnace, and ash is formed here at the below, okay. You can see the short flame, second one, say a short flame burner. In this, coal and primary air is fed, okay, and then this is the secondary air, and it enters into the furnace and forms ash. And third one, tangential flame burner. In that, coal primary air is fed, okay, and here both the sides secondary air you all can see inlets, and the coal primary air let, and here when it is fed the coal primary air, this is the tangential flame burner. And next one is cyclone burner. Here cyclone burner, coal and primary air tangential and second air tangential is shown here, and you all can see the waveforms. Those are the afterwards it forms as a slag. Requirements of good coal handling plant. It should need minimum maintenance. It should be reliable. It should be simple and sound. It should require minimum operatives. Okay, it should be able to deliver site quantity of coal at the destination during peak periods. There should be minimum wear in running the equipment due to abrasive. And most important thing is, coal delivery equipment is one of the major components of the plant cost. The various steps involved are coal delivery, unloading, preparation, transfer, outdoor storage, covered storage, plant handling, weighing and measuring, feeding the coal into furnace. And what is coal delivery? Coal delivery, the coal from the supply points is delivered by ships or boats to power stations situated near the sea or the river. Coal is supplied by rail or trucks. The transportation of coal by trucks is used if the railway facilities are not available. And unloading, second one. The type of equipment to be used for unloading the coal received at the power station depends on how coal is received at the power station. If the coal is delivered by trucks, there is no need of unloading device, as the truck may dump it properly. In case of coal is brought by railway wagons, ships or boats, the unloading may be done by car shakers, rotary car dumpers, cranes, etc. Rotary car dumpers, although costly, are costly but are quite efficient for unloading. And next, preparation. Preparation, when the coal delivered is in the form of big lumps and it is not proper size, the preparation of coal can be achieved by crushers, breakers, sizers, dryers, and magnetic separators. And transfer. After preparation, the coal is transferred to the dead storage by means of following belt conveyors, screw conveyors, bucket elevators, and grab bucket elevators. Okay, and belt conveyors. You all can see the belt conveyors here. Here you all can see the coal belt. This portion coal is fed on that belt, and the rollers are below that. Okay, and these are the rollers. Okay, you all can see that these are the rollers and belt below that, and return boiler, return rollers. Those. Conveyor, it will shake. Advantages of belt conveyor: its operation is smooth and clean. It requires less power as compared to other types of systems. Large quantities of coal can be discharged quickly and continuously. Material can be transported on moderate inclines. And screw conveyors, these are the discharge end and this is the inlet end and this is the discharge. Okay, screw conveyors, you all can see the coal inlet and coal outlet here. Okay. Grab bucket conveyors, you all can grab the coal and it is fed, and the crane which carries or transfers, you can say. Ash handling, a huge quantity of ash is produced in central stations, sometimes being as much as 10 to 20% of total quantity of coal burnt in a day, and hundreds of tons of ash may have to be handled every day in large power stations. A station using low grade fuel has to deal with large quantities of ash. The ashes should be discharged and dumped at sufficient distances. The ash is dusty, therefore irritating and annoying to handle. It is sufficiently hot when it comes out of the boiler furnace. It produces poisonous gases and corrosive acids when mixed with others. Okay, the following difficulties encountered in ash handling plant: it forms clinkers by fusing together in large lumps which must be broken before given to any reasonable sized conveying equipment. The ash produced is abrasive and will wear out of the conveyor parts also with the. Okay. And ash needs to be quenched before handling due to the following reasons. Quenching reduces corrosion action of the ashes on equipments used to carry it. It reduces the dust accompanying the ash. Quenching reduces temperature of ashes and it is always easier to handle cold cold ash than hot. Okay. And any ash handling system comprises the following operation: to remove the ashes from the furnace ash hopper, to convey the ashes from furnace ash hopper, and to dispose the ashes from the storage. Ash handling system, the ever increasing capacities of boiler units together with their ability to use low grade and high ash content coals. The handling equipment should perform the following functions: capital investment, operating and maintenance charges of the equipment should be low. It should be able to handle large quantities of ash. Clinkers, soot, dust, etc. create troubles. The equipment should be able to handle them smoothly. Okay, to deliver the ash to a dumping site or storage, and finally it should have means to dispose the stored ash. Equipment should be corrosion and wear resistance. First of all, mechanical ash handling system, in that boiler furnaces, you all can see the belt conveyor. This is the belt conveyor, you all can see. Okay. Hmm? And the water trough is above below that, and above that those are the ash boiler furnace. Okay. And the ash bunker, and it controls the wall, it controls the ash, and this is a truck, it is fed into the truck over here. So pneumatic ash handling, you all can see the air from the atmosphere enters into the, and these are the boilers and crushers which crushes the coal fed, and you can see the primary ash separator which separates the ash one side, and ash hoppers here, and you all can see it is fed into the truck or loaded, you can say. High velocity hydraulic ash handling system, in this you all can see the furnace, and this is the water jet. High pressure nozzles are provided with the water jet. You all can see the cast iron walls and troughs carrying and main sump is over here. Okay, settled ash below that water, you can see it properly. Okay. Next, low velocity hydraulic ash handling system.